Creative and unique wood sculptures offer a myriad of benefits when incorporated into home decor, extending far beyond mere aesthetic appeal. These sculptures serve as focal points, conversation starters, and reflections of personal style, while also contributing to a sense of warmth, authenticity, and connection to nature within the living space. The inherent qualities of wood, combined with the artistic vision of a sculptor, create pieces that can transform a house into a home, imbuing it with character, depth, and a unique identity. One of the primary benefits of wood sculptures is their ability to introduce a sense of natural beauty and organic form into interior spaces. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic materials and mass-produced items, wood sculptures offer a refreshing contrast, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. The grain patterns, textures, and colors of wood are inherently appealing, creating a visual and tactile experience that is both calming and stimulating. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative, unique wood sculptures for home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood sculptures can serve as powerful focal points within a room, drawing the eye and creating a sense of visual interest. Unlike paintings or photographs, which are typically hung on walls, sculptures occupy three-dimensional space, allowing them to be viewed from multiple angles and interacted with in a more dynamic way. A strategically placed wood sculpture can anchor a room, define a space, or simply add a touch of elegance and sophistication. The unique character of each wood sculpture is another significant benefit. Because wood is a natural material, no two pieces are exactly alike. The grain patterns, knots, and imperfections in the wood contribute to the individuality of each sculpture, making it a one-of-a-kind work of art. This uniqueness adds a sense of authenticity and personality to home decor, setting it apart from mass-produced items that lack character and soul. Furthermore, wood sculptures can serve as reflections of personal style and taste. The choice of subject matter, style, and finish can reveal a great deal about the homeowner's interests, values, and aesthetic preferences. A sculpture of a bird might appeal to nature lovers, while an abstract sculpture might resonate with those who appreciate modern art. By carefully selecting wood sculptures that reflect their personal style, homeowners can create living spaces that are both visually appealing and deeply meaningful. In addition to their aesthetic qualities, wood sculptures can also contribute to a sense of warmth and comfort within the home. Wood is a naturally warm material, both visually and tactilely. Its presence in a room can create a sense of coziness and relaxation, making it a welcoming space to unwind and recharge. This warmth is particularly valuable in colder climates, where wood sculptures can help to counteract the chill and create a more inviting atmosphere. The tactile quality of wood sculptures is another benefit that should not be overlooked. Unlike many other decorative objects, wood sculptures invite touch and interaction. The smooth, polished surface of a well-crafted sculpture can be incredibly satisfying to the touch, providing a sensory experience that is both pleasurable and grounding. This tactile quality can make wood sculptures particularly appealing to children and those who appreciate the sensory aspects of design. Moreover, wood sculptures can serve as conversation starters, sparking interest and curiosity among guests. A unique or unusual sculpture can prompt discussions about art, nature, or the creative process, fostering connections and enriching social interactions. This ability to engage and inspire makes wood sculptures a valuable addition to any home that values intellectual stimulation and social connection. The durability of wood sculptures is another practical benefit. Wood is a strong and resilient material that can withstand the wear and tear of daily life. A well-crafted wood sculpture can last for generations, becoming a cherished heirloom that is passed down through families. This longevity makes wood sculptures a sustainable and eco-friendly choice for home decor, as they do not need to be replaced frequently. In addition to their durability, wood sculptures are also relatively easy to care for. Unlike some other types of art, wood sculptures do not require special cleaning products or protective measures. A simple dusting with a soft cloth is usually sufficient to keep them looking their best. This ease of maintenance makes wood sculptures a practical choice for busy homeowners who want to enjoy beautiful art without the hassle of complicated care routines. The versatility of wood sculptures is another factor that contributes to their appeal. Wood sculptures can be incorporated into a wide range of design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and contemporary. They can be displayed on shelves, tables, mantels, or even hung on walls, making them adaptable to a variety of spaces and layouts. This versatility allows homeowners to experiment with different arrangements and placements, creating unique and personalized displays. Furthermore, wood sculptures can be used to create a sense of harmony and balance within a room. By carefully selecting sculptures that complement the existing decor, homeowners can create a cohesive and visually appealing space. Wood sculptures can also be used to add contrast and texture to a room, breaking up monotony and creating a more dynamic and engaging environment. The environmental benefits of using wood sculptures are also worth considering. Wood is a renewable resource, and sustainably harvested wood could be a relatively eco-friendly choice for home decor. By choosing wood sculptures made from sustainably sourced wood, homeowners can support responsible forestry practices and reduce their impact on the environment. In addition to their environmental benefits, wood sculptures can also support local artists and craftspeople. By purchasing sculptures from local artists, homeowners can help to sustain their livelihoods and promote the growth of the local art community. This support can be particularly meaningful in small towns and rural areas, where art can play a vital role in economic development. Moreover, wood sculptures can serve as reminders of cherished memories or experiences. A sculpture of a particular animal might evoke memories of a beloved pet, while a sculpture of a landscape might remind the homeowner of a memorable vacation. By incorporating sculptures that have personal significance into their home decor, individuals can create spaces that are filled with meaning and emotion. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative unique wood sculptures for home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.